This case was about President Trump's ban on travelers from 6 mostly Muslim countries and also a suspension of the refugee program. And that had been kept from going into effect by 2 appeals courts. The Supreme Court says that it's going to hear that case in the fall. But in the meantime, they said that a limited version of the travel ban can go into effect. What the court said was, if a person wanting to come to this country has a bona fide relationship with someone in the country, then the ban does not include them. That means, the court said, a family member here or someone who had been admitted to an American university or someone perhaps who had a job offer here or a speaking engagement. And so it carved out a group of people that the ban doesn't apply to. It's unclear right now exactly how many people that means. One thing that was interesting about this case is that 3 of the more conservative justices said, we would have let the ban go into effect as it was written, without this carve-out that the other members of the court did. They said that it seems to be clear that the court believes that the president has this kind of power, and so they would have just overturned what the lower courts had done and gone from there. But the majority of the court made a different decision.
The State Department will coordinate with other federal agencies and implement these temporary restrictions in an orderly manner.
The unusual thing about this case is that this is supposed to be a temporary ban while the Trump administration decides whether its vetting procedures are good enough to keep really dangerous people out of the United States. That's supposed to last for 90 days or 120 days for refugees. That time could pass over the summer before the court hears this case in October. And so one of the questions is, will the case still be real by the time the Supreme Court gets to it?